Hi, my name is Li Rong. I introduce you the BOE product. It's a video bar that we build with a Qualcomm chipset. It's 8550. This is a flagship. So we build with this with an AI camera, and it can film people intelligent. Yeah, you can look at the camera.
It looks like 3 lenses.
Yeah, 3 lenses. Yeah, it's used for medium meeting room.
So it can zoom in.
Yes.
It also has wide, and it can find people and crop on them.
Yes. Also, we build the audio algorithm. So do the echo cancellation, to the noise reduction. So make sure people can be heard even in a noisy environment.
So this is a partnership with the Qualcomm.
Yes.
It's the flagship SoC for video conference.
Yes.
And this can do 3x48 megapixel.
Yes. 8 megaray and
4K 60.
Yes. 2
HDMI 2.0.
Yeah.
And it has also HDMI in. You can add another camera. So
yes,
you
can share content, share your desktop, use the HDMI in.
Share the desktop, yes, for example. Mm-hmm. And so what is the potential with the, maybe this is very high quality, it can be 4K, every person can be in 4K.
Yeah.
It can have high quality sound, high quality video.
Yeah. Yeah, these are like 2 speakers with very high quality, so you can use even in a large meeting room, the sound is even big enough. And the audio is also very good, it's high quality.
And this is just a standard test mode right now? Yeah, there's a different function with the AI camera?
This is the AI camera one function, we call it like a smart gallery. So we like film all the people, for every people in the room, we'll give a framing, and also in the bottom is a room view, it film all the people. So make sure the people who join the meeting can see it clearly who is in the meeting room and give a framing.
Nice, because I always think that it would be great to have very high quality, like 4K video conferencing, very sharp, and it would be great to have a great optics with a good zoom.
Yeah, but currently, because the limitation of Teams, Zoom, we only support 1080p.
They only support 1080p
yeah,
on this platform.
4K is consume a lot of bandwidth, so then 1080p is good enough.
But maybe the soundbar could just have a 4K mode if you want.
Yeah,
but then the 4K mode is not Teams, it's not Google, but it's another platform. Maybe.
Yes.
In theory, it could, right?
Yes.
All right, and then I also wonder if in a room it's possible to have multiple of these around, and somehow they all work together. You know, I want to have one here, one there, one there. Does that make sense? Or you need only one TV?
That's the maybe in future. Currently, this support like two screen or 3 screen, and maybe for put a different place. But if you want like a multiple display, maybe need some new technology, have the different devices connected. Maybe need multiple devices and then have them connected.
And do you do other partnership with Qualcomm on how they use the AI? Is there like other programs in this, other software, other features?
I think Qualcomm, they offer the AI NPU, but then it depends on BOE to build the AI, like from people, tracking people, to calculate how many people are in the room. So analysis people's behavior in the room. So that depends on how we utilize the NPU from Qualcomm.
What would be great is to focus on the person who's talking, full screen. Yeah. And then if another person talking, automatically full screen, perfect zoom every time.
We do not support it. We call it speaker tracking or presenter tracker. This already supported. Yeah.
Nice. And then I wonder if this AI accelerator could maybe in real time translate the voice in all the languages without going on the cloud.
I think yes, because this chipset is a very powerful NPU. We can use the translator like a whisper to transfer your language like English to Chinese in real time and display it on the bottom.
Nice, and maybe also automatically make summaries of the highlights and send the video to everybody at the meeting.
But currently, because the NPU is not that powerful enough, so this kind of summary large language model still
in the cloud.
But in future, if we use even more powerful chipset, it is possible.
And one thing I wonder, because it's such a powerful NPU accelerator image processor, would be great if we could upscale the quality So even if you use Teams in 1080, but actually show 4K, you know, like it should just upscale the quality of everybody very sharply, maybe using AI.
We call it like a super resolution. So even like have a 1080p video, I can use a super resolution to turn to 4K, even the image quality is good.
But do you think the video bar will do this, or just the TV do this?
I think we video bar do this. Utilize the AI, the NPU to do the super resolution.
So already it's happening now, or is something maybe in the future?
Yeah, currently you can see this demo, but because currently we do not need this kind of super resolution to 4K, we do not use it. But it is capable.
Because that would be a great way to use Teams and Google Meet and all this, because they're all limited to 1080p, but your video bar will make everybody look 4K, you know? Because it's super resolution AI.
Yeah, I think that's for receiving. If we receive like a 1080p video from the other side, we can do the super resolution locally here. Yeah, you're right. Yes.
That'd be cool.
Imagine every pixel, every sound, enabled through HDMI technology. From the highest resolutions, the fastest refresh rates, to immersive multi-channel audio, HDMI technology powers a worldwide ecosystem of devices for movies, for gaming, for creators. Experience clarity, performance, connection. HDMI technology. Connect the future today.